Welcome to How2Mechanics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your engine oil in an ISX Cummins engine. You're going to want an engine oil drain pan, at least 15 gallons, 15W40 engine oil, a filter wrench and also a filter, and then a long 1/2-inch drive ratchet. Roll the oil container underneath the truck. You want your engine oil to be warm before you change the engine oil. Then you use a 1/2-inch drive ratchet to loosen the oil drain plug. I like to use these magnetic drain plug removal tools. I'll have links in the description below for everything you see in this video, including all tools and parts. This engine oil drain pan has 2 plugs, so we're going to drain the other side as well. After the engine oil is done draining, we're going to install the plugs. If you'd like to torque the engine oil drain plug, it's 40 foot-pounds. Next, we're going to remove the oil filter. The engine oil filter is located on the right-hand side of the engine, right next to the frame. Grab yourself a large oil filter wrench, and then loosen and spin off the filter. It's going to make a little mess, so make sure you have the oil container underneath to catch all the oil. Take a paper towel and clean around the oil filter housing to get all the dirt out of there. I'm going to be using a Baldwin BD 50,000. In the description below, I'll have a cross-reference for the most popular filters. I like to pre-fill the engine oil filter with 2 quarts of oil, and then we're going to lube the oil seal. Reinstall and spin on the filter and go hand tight. The engine oil fill area is on the left-hand side front of the engine. Remove the cap and we're going to fill it with about 40 quarts of engine oil. Yours might be more or less, so make sure to check your owner's manual for more information. After you get about the recommended amount in there, we're going to check the oil level, and right now we're at the very top of the hash marks. Put the cap back on and we're going to start the engine and we're going to recheck the engine oil. When it's running, I like to walk around and make sure there's no engine oil leaks. After it's been sitting for a while, recheck the engine oil, and you want it about 3/4 of the way up the hash marks. If you enjoyed this video, check out my channel, How2Mechanics. I work on all sorts of things, so there might be a video for you. And with that, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.